Don't be worried, take it easy. Let's welcome Asparagus. Asparagus originated in the Mediterranean coastal area of southern Europe. It appeared for more than 2,000 years in Europe, and it is also one of the top 10 famous vegetables. The tip shape of asparagus looks like a reed, but it has nothing to do with reed. Asparagus used to be a luxurious food in the past, and the civilians hardly got a chance to enjoy it. Many artists see cooking as a kind of art. The famous Italian opera composer Gioacchino Rossini was one of them. He even loved asparagus more than music. He once wrote a letter to his soprano friend after the scintillating premiere of the opera. The letter carries nothing about the opera, but a new recipe of asparagus invented by himself. He recorded it in detail, which was like a complete opera script. The soprano then became his wife. You know, a cooking man is stunning. A cooking artist is damn charming. Time's up, bye-bye.